Hey guys, this is John here from Pit Bros. I'm down here with Tony from FX Buckley down in Dean's Grange, and I'm going to ask Tony 3 questions today. 1, Tony, what is your favourite cut of meat that you like?
Ribeye on the bone,
What?
also known as Côte de Boeuf or cowboy steak.
Amazing. Why?
Because it's got extra marbling in it,
Yeah.
and you can age it longer as well. And
Lovely.
I like it medium cooked. It's really good. Tender.
Yeah, you need to check the meat out here. It is amazing, so that's a good one. The second question, Tony, why do you like being a butcher? What's so special about it for yourself?
Getting up in the morning, displaying all these lovely cuts of meat,
Yeah.
meeting new faces, customers on a daily basis, and teaching them how to cook and giving them the best of what we actually put out.
Yeah.
From FX Buckley's.
Amazing. Final question. If you were to pick one item from the Pit Bros shelf, what would you use with it?
I'd pick them all, to be honest. But, one of my favourites would be charred rub on a Jacob's ladder, also known as beef short ribs.
Yeah.
You rub that on, you cook for 3-4 hours.
Amazing.
Gorgeous.
Didn't that win an award recently?
It did.
Yeah.
It did. But also bang on buffalo, proper meat sauce, and chicken wings.
Amazing.
It's really good stuff. Yeah.
Awesome. Well, Tony, thank you so much for everything.
Always.
Guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon.